Let us study electromagnetic induction by changing the magnetic field around a conductor. We have taken a bar magnet, a coil, and a galvanometer. The galvanometer is connected to the coil and is used to detect the current flowing in the conductor. Move the magnet into the coil and carefully observe the galvanometer deflection. As the magnet is moved near the coil, there is a momentary deflection in the galvanometer. As the magnet comes to rest, the deflection of the galvanometer stops. The deflection of the galvanometer indicates that there is some current flowing through the coil. The galvanometer deflects only when the magnet is in motion near the coil. Motion of the magnet is responsible for the changing magnetic field. This changing magnetic field is inducing the current in the conductor. This phenomenon is called electromagnetic induction.